Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at SC19 in Denver, Colorado, and today we're at the Microway booth with Eliot. Eliot, let's start at the beginning for folks that might not know. Who is Microway, and who do you help in the HPC space?
Yep. So Microway is an integrator for HPC and AI. We've been doing this for nearly 4 decades now. So we help kind of everyone, right? We've been doing this for a long time. So we have customers in higher education, R1 research institutions, the US government, and then a lot of enterprise research. So that started with maybe engineering simulation, but of course AI is exploding now. So we're spanning the gamut. Our consultative approach, applies to HPC, applies to AI. We're giving you the full solution.
Okay, and what are you showcasing this week?
So this is the Nvidia Dg X2. This is the most powerful AI system for research institutions, for enterprises. It's been deployed at a number of very notable institutions. So we did the very first Dg X2 installations at Oak Ridge National Labs, and it's continued since then. We have deployments at Oregon State University, where they put in 6 of these into their HPC cluster. So it's a mixed use, it's AI, HPC as well, tied into their Slurm infrastructure. So it's at national labs, it's at universities, and then it's in industry. So obviously AI is the new thing everyone's talking about, right? But it's showing real results.
Yeah.
So it is, this system allows you to run problems, run large models that you would not be able to do on smaller systems. So with a single Dg X2, you have 0.5 terabyte of GPU memory, 1.5 terabyte of system memory, and then they're all fully connected. So it's not a bottlenecked GPU connection. Every GPU can talk to every GPU at full speed. So it enables kind of a new kind of scale up where you can run tremendously large models. If you have trying to run an AI training on gigantic medical images or other types of very large, some of these new speech models are very large, and these systems enable just to grow those really complex models that have high accuracy and have capabilities that, AI is moving fast, and so you need a system that can keep up.
So that's an accelerated workload. What about the traditional HPC servers?
Yes.
Do you have those as well?
We do. So we can walk down here and I can show you what we've got. So this is a selection of our systems. Given that we've been around for a long time and we have a very consultative approach, we have a lot of different configurations. So we always say, come to us, talk to us about your problem, and we'll solve it. So we're going to look at the whole solution, whether it's the compute, the storage, the networking, your power, really helping you with the whole thing. So this is an NVMe storage solution. So it has high-end Intel Xeon scalable processors, as well as high-end Intel SSDs. So you're getting low latency, high IOPS, high bandwidth. It's kind of the full package. You can run compute, analytics, all in that system, or it can serve a larger system, serve your cluster, for example. And then there are just straight up dense CPU systems. So we have CPU systems that can take 1.5 terabyte of memory. It's a 2U 4-node. So you're getting 4 nodes in 2U with a total of 8 CPUs. You're getting a couple terabytes of memory in there, high-end fabrics, and we have partnerships with all of the major vendors. So if you're looking for an Intel solution, high density, or AMD EPYC solution, high density, we have that as well. We're moving into PCI Express Generation 4, so you're going to get high-speed connectivity to the GPUs, high-speed connectivity to the CPUs, and the latest 200 gig stuff needs PCI Gen 4, so we've got that too.
What about in the booth? Do you have like a case study or a user application that you could show us?
Yes, so we have an AI inference demo that we're showing, and I can walk you over there.
All right.
This is a demo from NVIDIA of TensorRT, which is their GPU-accelerated AI inference. So in this case, it's images. Images are always pretty, but these days people are running inference on pretty much any kind of data, and TensorRT allows you to run that really efficiently. You can GPU accelerate it so that you're getting low latencies, because a lot of times with inference, you need to do a lot of it, but your user needs to get back their result on their phone real fast. So low latency, high throughput, and TensorRT enables that. That requires NVIDIA GPUs, so we can put those in the data center. We also have development systems. So what we're showing here is a development system based on NVIDIA's Titan RTX GPU, And those are very high performance and high power. So to make a quiet workstation, we're liquid cooling it. So it has 4 liquid cooled GPUs and then a CPU to run it.
Well, speaking of liquid cooling, I understand you're working with a partner. Can you tell me more about that?
Sure. So we have a new product that we're just announcing here at the show. It is AI Anywhere. And the idea is, as you're getting these new data, ingesting these new data, you need to go out to the edge sometimes. You may have a facility that is not a data center, and you need to be running your either your AI workload or some kind of traditional data analytics workload. So we now have this self-contained solution. It is essentially an install anywhere data center, and then it's liquid cooled, so it's quiet. It'll go in your facility even if it's not a clean facility. You can still put high-end systems in there and run your data through it and put your compute where you need to put it.
Well, hey, Eliot, this is exciting to see the full breadth of things coming from Microway, and I hope you have a great week this week. It's SC19. Thanks a lot.